So to create that portal, again, you just need to head over to your brand space like this, and then just click here, brand portal. Then you can enable it, you can add a password protection, and then you can choose the domain. So you can, if you want the setup to be faster, you can just choose a MyDrop domain like that, or you can also connect a custom domain, so it can be fully white labeled. And then on that domain, you can toggle on or off what sections will be available. So it's the same sections as you can see here, but these things will now be available to anyone that has access to the brand link. Finally, once that's done, you can create some client profiles inside the portal. If you want a client to be able to log in and to do actions, but presented as himself, you can just add a profile like that with a picture, a name, and an email, and that's it. And then you just save and you just copy the link. And now that you have the link, it's the same as the post link, analytics. It's a link that is available to anyone without password if you didn't set one. But they can open it on the phone or laptop. And then here you can see on the left all the sections of the brand that are available, the profiles, the posts, automation, even the analytics report. And your clients can open the report. You can see on the top right the client profile. So if the client logs in, if you have many, they can choose who they are here, because this is a no login dashboard. So by definition, there's no email first. So this is where they will just select who they are. And once your client or your team member are on the dashboard, they can do many things. As you can see, they can approve the post directly, or they can review the details. That will just open the post preview link, and then they can send you the feedback about the post, or they can approve directly. They can also connect their own profiles, because you know that the client is always picky with the passwords, they don't really like to share. So with the brand portal, you don't even need to get the password anymore, because your client can just connect the profile themselves. They just open it, click connect, just like you did on the app, but they do it. And once the profile is connected, it will just appear here in your MyDrop dashboard, and you can just use it like any other profile. So that's very powerful. It's also a very good way to make your agency or your brand look very professional, because as you can see, this is fully white label, fully branded. There's no mention of MyDrop anywhere. So this is your agency now, like you made a portal for your clients. And also here, as you can see, you can have a conversation with them. You can talk with your clients on the same place. No need for WhatsApp anymore. You can send message, you can mention them, or mention your workspace members. And exactly like any other messages in MyDrop, is the same. And if your client sends a message here, you will also see the conversation on your MyDrop app as well. So both are connected in live. So if you say hey, the message just appeared here. So you don't need to use the dashboard yourself, you can just talk with them here, and you can talk with all your clients at the same place. So yeah, that's it for the brand dashboard. They can see the link in bio, they can open it. So they cannot do as much as you in the app, of course. Sometimes they can just have a look and delete a few things, see the post, approve all the posts, or they can select and approve the selection. Yeah, so that's a very cool thing.